Experiencing problems activating your AT&T Android device? Activation issues often stem from software glitches or SIM card problems. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and undamaged. Next, perform a network reset by going to Settings, then General Management, then Reset, and finally, Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth connections without deleting your data. As of September 2025, AT&T has rolled out network updates that may cause compatibility issues with older Android models. If problems persist, check your APN settings under Mobile Networks. The correct APN should be phone for LTE 5G. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact AT&T support at 1-800-331-0500 for further assistance. If your AT&T Android device has network connectivity issues, start with basic steps. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Then, perform a network reset as described in the previous section. Signal instability can also occur during 4G/5G handoffs. Make sure your device supports AT&T's LTE Band 12 and 5G MME wave. For ongoing issues, use the AT&T app, which now features AI diagnostics to predict and resolve issues. As of 2025, AT&T is expanding 5G ultra-capacity bands, potentially causing temporary instability in some areas. If problems persist, check the AT&T outage tracker for known issues in your region. If you are still having issues, it may be worth contacting customer support to see if they can perform a SIM card reset. For rural areas, signal instability may persist due to ongoing 5G tower upgrades.